As we studied the spermatogenesis in last lecture, let us study the oogenesis. Oo means egg, which is produced into the ovary, and it consists of the 23 number of the chromosomes. Unlike 4 sperms, only one egg is produced in single ovary per 28 days. It is process of formation of haploid female gametes or egg. Process. As the spermatogenesis processes, there are same 3 stages like multiplication phase, growth phase and maturation phase. Multiplication phase. The primary germinal cell of the germinal epithelium in cortical region above the ovary undergoes repeated mitotic division to form millions of the female gamete or gamete mother cells. This process is completed in embryonic stage of human females. Growth phase. Some of the oogonia stop division. They are diploid and begin to increase in size and form the primary oocyte. See, primary oocyte has also the 2 sets of the chromosome, that is 46 number. Cellular organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus and mitochondria increase in number. Maturation phase. Oogenesis takes place in ovary. The process is initiated prior to the birth of the female. Primary oocyte enter maturation phase, which include meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Always in the meiosis there are 2 stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 2 is like the mitosis. The diploid primary oocyte undergo meiosis 1 to form 2 haploid daughter cells. Due to the unequal division of the cytoplasm of 2 daughter cells, one of the large secondary oocyte and another one is the small called to be the polar body. Polar body does not enter meiotic 2. Only the secondary oocyte proceeds the meiosis 2 only up to the formation of the female gamete. Division is arrested now. Division is arrested now because if the fertilization takes place, then only the meiosis 2 begins. The secondary oocyte is shed from the Graafian follicle, so during the menstrual phase only secondary oocyte is shed. If there is a fertilization, it remains, it completes its second meiotic division and will take the birth of the child. Completion of the meiosis 2 occurs only at the entry of the sperm. This last phase is completed in ampulla. Fertilization occurs into the ampulla of the fallopian tube. The division of 2 unequal daughter cells are formed. The large one is ovum and small one is second polar body. So always we show the one polar body in the picture. See here the processes like primary oocyte, then you can find the maturation of the primary oocyte, secondary oocyte and one first polar body. Secondary oocyte, if fertilization occurs, will form the mature worm and one polar body like this. Structure of the secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte is unfertilized eggs released from the ovary. It is microlecital because yolk content is very less. It is 0.1 mm in size. It is rounded, non-motile and haploid. Nucleus is large, called germinal vesicle. Cytoplasm is ooplasm. Centrioles are absent in the egg. Egg membrane is vitelline membrane. It secretes zona pellucida and egg is surrounded by radially elongated corona radiata. In the examination you can draw like this structure. Haploid nucleus first polar body you can see. Then you can show here the radiating cells or corona radiata. So this is the secondary oocyte. Which important things I told you? Oogonia has diploid number of chromosomes, 2 sets of chromosomes. Then it becomes secondary oocyte, and secondary means what? It is unfertilized. If the fertilization takes place, it will undergo the second meiotic division. It is like a mitosis, and only one egg is produced, not 4 eggs like the sperms. Thank you very much.